Hello friends, welcome to another Lightroom tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to get that creamy pinky tones in your autumn pictures. So if you're interested how I get this look, please keep on watching. So I took this picture of my friend during the sunset and the light was really gorgeous, and when I was looking at the pictures in my camera, I didn't even know how I want to edit these pictures because they were perfect. But then I realized that I really liked the color of the sweater, and I wanted to um, create some matching tones in the background, so it's like more monochromatic, and that's when I decided to do that creamy, like blogger style edit. So this is what I'm going to show you now. And as always, let's first start with our basic adjustments. And if you're wondering, I'm using Canon 6D and my Sigma 35 1.4. These are the settings which I used, and again, it was shot during the sunset. Okay, so back to the adjustments. I'm going to do just some minor changes here because I think that the picture looks good overall. And the only thing that's really bothering me is the cheek and her hair that's really like burning up. So I'm going to lower the highlights in this area. And I could use like these basic highlights, um, but I don't want to lose the brightness in the tree in the sky. So I'm going to use adjustment brush and paint just over the area that I want to target. Okay, and now lower the highlights. Great. And I'm going to bring back shadows. Okay. And in these basic adjustments, I'm going to pull up shadows so there's a little bit more detail and little contrast and clarity. Okay, I'm going to skip tone curve for now and go straight to hue, saturation, and luminance. I'm going to pull red towards orange around plus 14, orange plus 4 or 5, and I'm going to pull down yellow and green. Minus 55 is okay, and minus 35. All right. You can see that the colors are unifying and it's going to be much easier to work with them. There's not a lot of aquas here, but I'm going to pull them towards blue, and blues minus 5. There is no purple in my picture, so I'm not going to touch purples, and magenta is only like in here in the shadows and in the lips. And I want something warmer, so plus 15 is okay. All right, and we are going for the desaturated look, so all the colors I'm going to desaturate. Red is going to be minus 12, orange minus 18, yellow 75, okay, 76, greens 70, 71, and as I said, not a lot of aquas, but we can see a little bit of them, so minus 40, All right, blues -10. Let's skip the purples, and magenta -7. Okay, and now luminance. In luminance, I'm only going to touch orange to brighten the skin tone. +18 is okay. And lower the yellows, so we have more details here. -8 is okay. And greens +10. All right. So this is hue, saturation, and luminance. And now we'll go back to tone curve. In RGB, I'm going to pull down whites and pull up blacks. And now let's move to red. And I'm basically going to do the same curve in all the three, red, green, and blue. So it will give us like more contrast and a bit of color, but nothing too crazy. It's really hard to to make the same curve like when I was creating this look, but I'm really trying my best. So um, hope it will turn out the same. Okay, red, now green, and again the same curve. Okay, and blue. Okay, sorry that I'm not talking too much, but I was really trying to focus on the curve, so it's really the same. And yeah, so this is the before and after of the curve, so you can see that it brought back some color and contrast without like overdoing it. Okay, so let's move on to split toning. I'm going to skip highlights and balance, and I'm just going to work with shadows. And what I want to do here is to bring back that sunlight, that warmth, and I'm going to use shadows for that. So let's bring some saturation and let's see. Okay, 19 is great, and now lower the saturation to around 7. Okay, that's great. Now we can add a bit of grain. Of course, it's optional, but I just like to add touch of grain to the picture to make it feel more like film. Okay, so about 20 is enough. All right, I'm going to create a vignette, pulling the shadows down and just painting over the edges. I like that it draws more attention to the center of the picture. Okay, and now the last step is for you to decide what temperature you like the picture to be. I like it when it's more cool toned, so I'm going to pull down temperature. But of course, you can pull it up and have more that warmer feel to the picture. Okay, I'm going to leave it like that. Okay, so this is our final image, and this is what we've done so far. So this is the before, and this is the after. Thank you, friends, for watching. I hope that you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please leave a like, leave a comment, and of course subscribe so you'll never miss my next tutorial.